Choosing the right multimeter can make a huge difference in your electrical work, whether you are fixing a simple household issue or handling complex professional tasks. In this video, we explore 6 of the best ANENG multimeters available in 2026. Each one offers a unique mix of precision, safety, and smart features. Stay with us to find the perfect tool for your needs. Kicking off our list is the ANENG Zone, a practical and versatile digital multimeter that offers a great balance between performance and ease of use. With a 6,000 count display, it provides accurate and stable readings across a wide variety of measurements, including AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, diode testing, and temperature. This makes it a solid option for both home users and professionals who need a dependable everyday tool. One of the biggest advantages of the SC1 is its automatic function and range selection. You do not need to manually switch between modes, which makes troubleshooting faster and much more convenient, especially when dealing with multiple electrical issues. The device samples readings about 3 times per second, ensuring that results update quickly and remain responsive during use. Safety is also a strong point here. The SC1 includes double ceramic fuse protection that helps prevent overload damage. Its silicone protective cover adds durability while also reducing the risk of accidental electric shock. Another useful feature is non-contact voltage detection, which allows you to check for live wires without using probes, giving you extra peace of mind. The multimeter also performs well in low light conditions thanks to its backlit display and dual flashlight feature. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and operate with one hand. Whether you are testing household outlets, checking automotive circuits, or working on batteries, the ANENG SC1 delivers reliable performance in a portable package. At number 5, we have the ANENG A8009, a highly capable multimeter designed for users who need higher precision and more advanced functionality. Featuring a 9,999 count display and true RMS measurement, this device is ideal for accurately handling both simple and complex electrical signals. It is especially useful for automotive diagnostics, electronics repair, and educational environments. The AN8009 supports a wide range of measurements, including AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, diode testing, and even transistor gain testing. This versatility makes it suitable for a variety of applications, from troubleshooting circuits to analyzing electronic components in detail. One of its standout features is the large backlit display, which ensures clear visibility even in dim lighting conditions. The compact design, combined with a lightweight build and included storage pouch, makes it easy to carry wherever your work takes you. It is also designed for comfortable one-handed operation, which is a big plus during extended use. Accuracy is enhanced by its auto-ranging capability and built-in self-calibration chip. This means the device automatically selects the correct measurement range and maintains stable readings without requiring constant adjustments. The built-in stand allows you to position it on a flat surface for hands-free operation, improving convenience during longer testing sessions. With additional features like continuity testing with audible alerts and non-contact voltage detection, the ANENG AN8009 proves to be a reliable and feature-rich multimeter for both professionals and hobbyists. Coming in at number 4 is the ANENG 613, a unique and multifunctional device that goes beyond standard multimeter capabilities. This model combines 3 essential tools into one unit, including a digital multimeter, a thermometer, and a hygrometer. This makes it particularly useful for users who need both electrical measurements and environmental monitoring in one compact device. The ANENG 613 features a 4,000 count display and supports measurements such as AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, continuity, diode testing, frequency, and temperature. While these are standard functions, the added ability to monitor humidity and temperature in real time sets this device apart from typical models. This is especially beneficial in workshops, storage environments, or any setting where environmental conditions matter. Another interesting feature is its built-in perpetual calendar and alarm clock. You can keep track of time while working, and the calendar continues functioning even after the device is powered off. This thoughtful addition makes it more than just a measurement tool, turning it into a practical daily companion. The design is compact and ergonomic, allowing for easy one-handed use. It also includes a hidden support stand that can be adjusted for better viewing angles during operation. The backlit display ensures clear readings in both bright and low light conditions. Overall, the ANENG 613 is ideal for users who want a multifunctional device that combines measurement accuracy with added convenience and environmental awareness. At number 3, we have the ANENG 683, a premium smart multimeter designed for users who want advanced technology and modern convenience. This model features a 6,000 count display and offers automatic detection of measurement types, meaning it can identify what you are measuring without requiring manual adjustments. This significantly simplifies the workflow and saves time during complex tasks. One of the most impressive features of the ANENG 683 is its rechargeable battery system. Instead of relying on disposable batteries, it uses a built-in rechargeable power source that can be charged via USB. This not only saves money over time, but also makes the device more convenient and environmentally friendly. The touchscreen interface gives it a modern feel and allows for intuitive control, similar to using a smartphone. This makes navigation through functions quick and easy, even for users who are new to advanced multimeters. The device also includes a built-in flashlight, which is extremely helpful when working in dark or confined spaces. In terms of functionality, the ANENG 683 supports a wide range of measurements, including voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature. It also includes non-contact voltage detection with visual and audible alerts, enhancing safety during use. With its combination of smart features, accurate performance, and user-friendly design, the ANENG 683 is an excellent choice for professionals, technicians, and advanced hobbyists alike. Taking the number 2 spot is the ANENG Quone, a high-precision multimeter designed for serious users who demand accuracy and flexibility. With a 9,999 count display and true RMS capability, this device ensures reliable readings even when dealing with complex or fluctuating electrical signals. The ANENG Q1 supports both auto and manual ranging, giving you the freedom to choose how you want to operate. It can measure AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature with impressive accuracy. Additional features like data hold and relative measurement make it even more useful during detailed testing tasks. The high-definition backlit display ensures excellent visibility in all lighting conditions, including complete darkness. This makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The device also includes a low battery indicator, helping you avoid interruptions during important work. Safety and durability are also well addressed. The Q1 features double fuse protection, which helps prevent damage from overload conditions. Non-contact voltage detection and live wire identification allow you to quickly and safely detect electrical sources without direct contact. Built with high-quality materials and a solid design, the ANENG Q1 is suitable for long-term use in demanding environments. Whether you are working on electronics, automotive systems, or household repairs, this multimeter provides dependable and accurate performance every time. Finally, at number 1, we have the ANENG 622AA, the best overall multimeter on this list thanks to its combination of advanced features, accuracy, and user-friendly design. With a 6,000 count display and true RMS measurement, it delivers precise readings across a wide range of electrical parameters. One of its most unique features is the built-in laser pointer. This allows you to easily identify and target measurement points, which is especially useful when working in larger spaces or hard-to-reach areas. It adds a level of convenience that is rarely found in multimeters at this price level. The ANENG 622A also includes non-contact voltage detection, providing safe and quick identification of live wires. The large backlit display ensures clear visibility, while the integrated flashlight helps illuminate your work area in low-light conditions. Automatic function selection makes the device easy to use, even for beginners. At the same time, professionals will appreciate its consistent performance and wide measurement capabilities, including voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature. With added features like overload protection, data hold, and automatic shutdown, the ANENG 622A is built for both safety and efficiency. Its durable construction and ergonomic design make it comfortable to use for extended periods, making it the top choice for 2026. That concludes our list of the best ANENG multimeters for 2026. Each model offers excellent value with features tailored for different types of users. Whether you need something simple or more advanced, there is a perfect option here for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.